The end is near, and so I face the final curtain. And my friend, I say it's clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. And I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, every times I'm sure you knew when I'd bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I laughed and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing. And then now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things that truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. The record shows I took the blows